All right, so I'm here with Tom Bailio.
What's up?
And what's one piece of advice you can give to young entrepreneurs right now who want to make it happen? What's up guys, it's Tom here, and in this video I actually want to share my experience with you guys of how I was able to meet Tom Bailio. For those of you guys who have no idea who he is, he's the co-founder of Quest Nutrition. So I'm sure you guys seen the Quest bars. He actually grew that into a multi-billion-dollar company, but before that he had the most amazing story of how he actually founded Quest Nutrition with his partners. And just want to share that with you as well because I thought it was really, really interesting. So him and his partners were actually about to build a software company, and right before the software company that was about to launch, they had investment from VCs and all these type of big players that want a piece of the pie. But right before the software that was about to launch, he actually said, hey guys, like I can't do this anymore. Something inside of me just tells me that this is not the right opportunity for me. So he gave up millions and millions of dollars and the amount of potential that the software company had, and so yeah, that was pretty much a story of how he found Quest Nutrition. He wanted to do something that's more impactful. He wanted to do something that can change people's lives. So he did that with Quest because it's a nutritional company and that's something that he truly, truly cared about. Anyway, one day, I've been following him for a long time. If you guys haven't seen his podcast or anything like that, make sure you guys check out his podcast. It's called Impact Theory. It's absolutely mind-blowing about the topics that he discussed on his podcast. It's very, very different than most of the other podcasts that I listen to. So I've been following him on social media for a very long time. And one day I saw a post that he says he needs comic artists in LA. So I've been working with Russell at Digital Movement, and Russell is a concept art designer. So he went to school for that stuff, and I just tagged Russell. I was like, Russell, you need to send this guy your portfolio because I'm sure he's gonna love it. So Russell did that, and what did you know? He actually reached out to Russell and said, hey, I wanna meet you in LA. So that's how we pretty much met Tom. We went to his house in LA, we sat down with his team, we discussed the project that he's working on, and I was able to share my personal story about Amazon FBA with him as well. So some of the key takeaways that I experienced in that meeting was he was so focused. Like when we were chatting with him, his eyes were just locked on you. It was like he was so present in the moment that he really showed through his body language that he cared about what you have to say. And also when I was talking to his team, he moves fast. This guy doesn't fuck around. If he wants to get something done, he will get it done very, very fast. And he's very honest. He says a lot of truth. So let's say if he says, you know, this piece of work is not good, he will literally tell you like, this piece of work is not good and this is how you can improve it. So it's not like, oh, you know what, no fluff. He's just the truth. If you can't handle it, then you can't work for him. Also, no negativity at all. He says that if you're negative, like he cut you right away. So it's all about building that environment. And it was a very surreal moment for me because I've been following this guy for a very long time. And also he mentioned something that was very interesting that you guys will actually hear in the next little clip, is that at the end of the day, guys, it's all about self-fulfillment, right? It's all about self-fulfillment. How do you feel at the end of the day about yourself when you're by yourself? That's really it. And I want to share this with you guys as well because, you know, when my Amazon business grew to $100,000 per month, I felt amazing. It was truly, truly a dream come true per se, right? It was a milestone. It was a benchmark that I've been wanting to hit for a long time, and it hit, and I felt really, really good. But when that number grew to 200K a month, I didn't feel a thing. To be honest, I didn't feel anything. It was literally just 1 to a 2. And at that point, I realized that maybe going from 2 to 3 or 3 to 4, it's not gonna bring me any more personal joy. It's not gonna bring me any self-fulfillment. So that's why David and I, we formed Ecom Hub. It's because I truly believe that if I can help other people to achieve the first 100K per month mark, that feeling is the new thing that I'm chasing. That feeling of helping someone else to do it is what's gonna bring me fulfillment. right? Maybe when I have so many students that are achieving that mark, hey, who knows? Maybe that's not gonna bring me self-fulfillment anymore. But right now, I know that's the thing that's gonna bring me self-fulfillment, and that's the thing that I'm gonna be working on with David. And David actually just flew back from Thailand, so we're ready to work. You know, we're on a little bit of vacation for the past couple months, or a month after Ecom Hub launch, but now we're ready to work, we're ready to grind, and we want to bring you guys the best possible content, right? So make sure you guys follow David in his YouTube channel as well. He does a lot of really cool tutorials. I'll link down below. And by the way, we're also doing a final webinar on July the 24th. So I'm gonna send that to you guys. Just comment down below if you're interested in attending. So without further ado, let me show you guys the most valuable 1-minute video that you're gonna watch. And this is a selfie that I made with Tom Bilyeu. All right, so I'm here with Tom Bilyeu.
What's up?
And what's one piece of advice you can give to young entrepreneurs right now who wanna make it happen?
Don't prematurely optimize. I'm telling you right now, most people's problem is that they think they know what they wanna do, which is get rich or something equally horrifying. And so they chase that and lose themselves, and they never find a life that they find fulfilling, and they wake up and they're 35 and they've been grinding it the fuck out, but they're not happy and they have no fulfillment. And I'm here to promise you, money is cool. It's even better than you think, but it's not at all what you've been told. And it's not gonna change how you feel about yourself. And how you feel about yourself when you're by yourself is the only thing that matters. It's about fulfillment, so go explore, play, find that thing that gives you more energy than it takes. Then, motherfuckers, you're gonna work your ass off, you're gonna go after it, and you're gonna become the best in the world at that thing. And so whatever it is that you're prepared to become the best in the world at, that's the thing that's also gonna make you rich. But you've gotta find that area of interest first. So don't prematurely optimize. There it is.
There you guys go, straight from the man himself. So thank you all so much for your support. I personally feel very honored to be able to serve you guys, and I want to bring you guys good content. I want to help you to grow your business, and I can't wait for you guys to succeed.